Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you a few minutes clip as to how you can grip your GH5 much better. So you just need few things: a tripod mount, a tripod plate, and a hand grip. So you can get this DSLR Logic, I think it's called the Case Logic. Yeah, it's called the Case Logic hand grip. You can get it from Amazon or eBay for like $5 to $6. It comes in really helpful in some situations. All you need is a camera with a battery grip. Why? Because you can hold the camera pretty much firmly with either of your hand, either your left hand or the right hand. That actually comes in very helpful when you're actually vlogging or recording yourself with one hand. And what you need is a tripod plate, and there'll be something which basically comes with the Case Logic hand grip is this. It actually allows you to fit this in the tripod mount of your battery grip, making the whole grip actually controllable from both the sides. So there's a strap for this which I actually removed just because I wanted it to manually do it, so that I need not have the dependency of removing this every time when I actually place it on the tripod. So what I did is quite simple. Let me just show you what I've done. So all you need is a tripod plate. If you have anything existing, you can use that one as well. All I did is folded this strap, placed it here, if you see, placed it here, and then on top of this I actually fit the tripod plate, making the grip much more versatile to use, and the grip is very much tight, so you need not worry about losing the grip, and it doesn't fall out so easily as well, because as you know, the tripod's plates are pretty well designed and there shouldn't be any failure at any point of time. And one good thing about using a tripod plate in this way is the battery grip on the GH5 has this tripod screw or point placed somewhere on the left side, which actually makes it quite impractical to place it on a tripod in center position. So this is the correct way how you can use it. So what I do is I place this on this mount, and I'll just rotate it so that it comes to the center, and as soon as it is there, I just start screwing it up. Let me try to adjust it again so that it doesn't. Okay, so now it's actually placed in center, and what I'll do right now is something simple. I'll just screw it up. Alright, so now it is screwed up completely. Let's align it so that it's in the center, and if you see from here, the thread is the strap is actually exactly till the corner, so just screw it up as much as tight you can, and here we go. Now we have an amazing hand grip. You can either hold it in this way and still control your camera, like just recording the video, you can just put it in this way, and if you're vlogging, this also comes in really handy, like you can put your hand at this way and that's it, and you need not have that difficulty at all. You can position your hand as easy as possible, and you also have this grip which actually helps you a lot when you hold it firmly. So that was a small grip. I hope you have liked this, and it's all for the GH5 users who really love this camera. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have liked this small tip. Please do subscribe, post in your questions, comment. I'll definitely try to answer them. For now, I'd just like to end this video. Bye bye.